I will choose the airport with more runway. There's probably option hard, or being normal landing, so I don't even care, and maybe visible could be low, because fogging on in front it. Oh, well, I will keep approaching the diverted runway.
Many hours later.
Let me get gear down and approach. So bad. Why is this haze and I can't see? Oh no, sometimes. How they are so fully fog above bad storm, let me turn 50% toga. I'm so scared of fog, cause at altitude goes, hit terrain it goes down. Oh shit, I must stay control nose down. An altitude too low, I'm very dumb. Damn it, I forgot, pull the throttle. Oh shit, not again. He goes to hit the building house and it's too late. Goodbye, everyone.
Having how nice really blue sky and jet. Oh my god, what the heck happened? My jet has just exploded. Knew my engine was hotter than my wing. How is this even breaking my wing and jet engine? Oh no, it's gonna be broke my wing, I don't wanna be done.